Blender paper burn effect. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Blender on your desktop and make sure you have enabled the Node Wrangler admin preferences before continuing. Next, press A to select objects, then press X and confirm the deletion to clear the scene. Press Shift and A, go to Mesh, and add a plane. Resize the plane to match the size of your paper. Press Z in the Layout view and choose Material Preview. After that, drag the panel and change its type to Shader Editor. Delete the principled BSDF, then press Shift and A and use the tool. Add an image texture, 2 mix shaders, a transparent BSDF, an emission shader, 2 color ramps, a gradient texture, a mix color node, and a noise texture. Connect the first mix shader to the surface input of material output. Then connect the first color ramp to its factor, connect the transparent BSDF to the second shader input, and connect the second mix shader to the first mix shader. Next, connect the image texture to the shader input on the second mix shader, press Open, and choose the photo you want. Connect the emission to the shader on the second mix shader, followed up by the second color ramp connected to the emission and gradient texture color to the first color ramp, then the factor to the second color ramp. Next, select the gradient texture, press Ctrl and T, disconnect the texture coordinate, and rearrange the nodes. Connect the object output from texture coordinate to mix color, then connect the mix color result to the vector input on mapping. Configure the first color ramp so it creates the appearance that half of the paper has disappeared. Configure the second color ramp to represent fire colors. You can adjust brightness using the factor on the second mix shader and control the glow with emission strength. Once everything is set, connect the object output from texture coordinate to the noise texture. Then connect the noise texture color output to the color input on mix color. Set the detail and distortion values to control the effect. Finally, go to Mapping and adjust its location and rotation settings to determine the direction in which the paper burns the surface properly now.